At our customer's site in South Korea, our hydraulic hose recycling line is running smoothly and delivering impressive results. Hydraulic hoses are known for their durability and complexity, made of thick layers of reinforced rubber tightly bonded with high-strength steel wires. While this design ensures performance in demanding industries, it also makes hydraulic hoses one of the most difficult materials to recycle. Our recycling line is designed specifically to tackle this challenge. The system first shreds the hoses into smaller, manageable pieces. These pieces are then processed through powerful crushing units, breaking down the tough composite structure and liberating the steel wires from the rubber. With the help of advanced separation technology, the rubber granules and steel wires are cleanly and efficiently sorted. The recovered rubber can be reused in various applications, such as fuel substitutes, rubber mats, or as raw material for new industrial products. Meanwhile, the separated steel wires are collected and sent to steel recyclers, ensuring nothing goes to waste. What makes this project even more rewarding is our customers' satisfaction. The South Korean client praised the stable performance, high output, and reliability of our equipment. Their feedback confirms our commitment to providing practical and efficient recycling solutions for complex waste materials. As global industries push for sustainable waste management, recycling hydraulic hoses not only protects the environment but also creates real economic value. If you are interested in hydraulic hose recycling or looking for customized recycling solutions, feel free to contact us today. Let's work together to turn waste into resources.